Hello, I'm Nikolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer. Let's roll! So good morning. Now I did around 200 kilometers with the new spacers / braces for the screen. Yes, it makes a difference, especially this 1.5 centimeter addition to the regular spacers. It makes a difference. No buffering at all. Lower position, high position, medium position of the screen. Maximum speed what I did was, I think, 130 today. Yes, certainly wind noise is there, but well, the Scorpion helmet is not the quietest, but there's no buffering at all. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. It's a pity that the winglets, or yeah, it's a pity that I don't have the winglets on. I would have been extremely curious if they're just design or if they really do something. One was okay, the other one was broken, so yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna check with IconicParts if can be replaced. If it takes another couple of months, then certainly not. Now I forgot to add something. A lot of people wonder why I use this ram mount rough country mirrors on my bike. Yes, they don't fit properly, but I think they're quite nice. And it's about the adjustability. When you're quite tall, the original ones, they were not that ideal. I always had to do like that because they were at the limit of the setting. This one, so nice, and if you go somewhere off-road, you just flip them in and they're good. Yeah, that's why I took the ram mount rough country mirrors on my Multistrada 950. Now another observation what I made on it is I'm 183 centimeters, so 6 foot, I think 6'1" or so. If I make myself a bit small, so if you're only 175, you will be more happy actually with this one. Then it's absolutely perfect setup for you. Now again, you have to consider I have the Puig Sport Short screen. I don't have a touring screen. Now I love this small screen because now we have already, I think, 32-33 degrees in the sun. While riding, it doesn't feel much cooler. Well, this is when you live in a desert country in the Middle East, you have to bear the temperature, but the short screen gives at least more airflow, also for the mesh jacket, for the Nox what I have here. It just allows more airflow coming to the mesh jacket. Now, I think if you buy a mesh jacket, you have to get always a size bigger, so you have more airflow in the jacket. But it's definitely better than any other jacket. Well, my Adventures Pack jacket is also fantastic. It's also pure mesh, and which you've seen in another video. Yeah, I say thank you for watching. Do you really need it? This is up to you. Again, I'm not sponsored by IconicParts. I like what they do. It's a small company, and I bought this. The only thing is the mount or the bracket for the GPS was sponsored by them. They gave it to me for free on top. The nightmare, or not nightmare, the waiting time till everything arrived, I told you about in the installation video. Well, I'm gonna hit the road before it's getting even more hot. Today is predicted up to 44 degrees Celsius. And that's honestly speaking not so pleasant. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, leave me down a comment, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you back soon on my channel. I'm Nikolai, your Spoke Wanderer. Ciao for now. One more thing, you're wondering why I have sunglasses. Actually, it's my prescription glasses. They get automatically dark, otherwise I'm almost blind, so apologies for that. Ciao.